Okay.
Hi. Alright guys, so we went to Subway today. And I got a veggie sub. It's in here. It is. It's in the bag.
Okay.
I got a veggie sub, y'all. If y'all can see it. So hold on, y'all. I got the veggie sub on the jalapeno bread, y'all. If you haven't tasted that yet, please make sure you do. Thank you, Lord. I'm gonna go ahead and bite. I got some jalapeno chips. I don't get no meat on my sub, y'all, from Subway. So this is basically like a salad on some bread. This veggie sub was $10 because I got a foot long. They don't have no $5 no more. Okay, so let me see. The story about Ms Brittany, y'all know her and Ms Briana, it's kind of stagnant right now. I was listening to other people's channels. Miss Harmony, she was talking about well, she had played some recordings of Sir Latruth got a temple on him. He'll call a woman a bee real quick. My Lord. Don't suffocate me, man. He'll call a woman. He'll call a woman a bee real quick. But she's probably just naturally like that. Because nobody can make you say or do anything. And even though some people, they know your buttons, but I just feel like he feels like if you call me a name, I'm gonna call you a name. I'm trying to think. This is the crumpets part of what's to see, y'all. I said, let me go on here and talk. But yeah, what she said, I think she had posted another man on her channel. And she called herself putting a man on his channel, on her channel, because she was mad because he be having on them women. And this is when they were married. This video was actually, the recordings were old, of course. She was, you know, a little perturbed because he got women. And he was like, hey, that's just what I do. You know, basically, it was like this when I met you. It was okay then, why ain't it now? He also said something like, you ain't got nothing to offer but a big mouth and some whatever. I was like, whoa. But, to tell the truth, if that's your fault because you welcomed it. That's what he was looking for, so that's what he got. If it was, you know, more difficult, like if he wanted something more deeper, if you will, he wouldn't have given her a time of day, because it looked like that's all she got is anger. No peace. She was having a good time messing with him. With him, you know, messing with his psyche, being mean, and they were just going back and forth. I guess he did not know he was being recorded. But regardless of that, the truth can hold his own, in my opinion. Man, I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you. This bread is so spicy. Whoa. Whoa, it's spicy. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you. So if you don't like spicy, don't get that jalapeno bread. And I got a nerve to be getting the chips too. But yeah, y'all. It looked like, I'm giving this to my husband, y'all. He over there.
Thank you.
It looked like things are just real still, y'all. Hold on. Let me drink some water. Real still over there. I think they should continue to co-parent their daughter. Maybe they should do like a half and half. He have her half the time, she have half the time, or something like that. I don't think neither one of them need 100% custody, only because they don't know how to act. They are so like toxic to each other, so immature. You would never think Ms Latruth is in his 40s and she is almost 40, you know, acting so immature. She moved on way too fast, y'all. You okay?
Yeah.
But that's too late to be talking about, right? She moved on too fast, and she got them 2 baby dolls over there to take care of her, or her friend's baby or whatever, because we all know that's not, it's always one baby. We want to see 2. She did some type of video where it was just disgusting, y'all. But anyway, I'm just poking my head in and say, yeah, I'm still here, y'all. Just made a video for you guys so y'all can see my face. I haven't been on camera for a while. And so if y'all want to do, I'm going to start doing like other videos too, like celebrity and stuff. Hopefully y'all get that in your algorithms and things like that. And see if they're going to turn up this story, because right now it's real repetitive. And I mean, you have to be real like in the cipher and get videos and stuff like that. Because these young ladies, they got me beat. You know, I don't have no old school stuff. You feel me? I just go by what I see and what I hear and what these other content providers provide, and I go by that, y'all. So thanks for watching, and I will see y'all next time.